Welcome friends, this is Dr. Prashant Patil, Jain College of Engineering, Belagavi. Please subscribe my channel, press the bell icon so that you get the notifications, like the video, comment and share. In this video, to solve y double dash plus y dash equal to 2x at x equal to 0.4 by applying Milne's predictor corrector method. Y second order derivative is there, therefore it is a second order differential equation, and initial conditions they are given: x value, y value and y dash value. X are 0, 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, corresponding y and y dash values are also given in the table. Okay, now the given differential equation I can write it as d square y by dx square plus dy by dx equal to 2x, or d square y by dx square equal to 2x minus dy by dx also I can write. Okay, now as it is I cannot solve this one. I will convert the given differential equation to a simultaneous differential equations, two equations of first order. That is, by let me put dy by dx or y dash equal to z. If I am substituting this y dash equal to z, this d square y by dx square, that is d by dx dy by dx I can write. Okay, this will become dz by dx. Okay, therefore this is equal to dz by dx and right hand side will remain as it is, that is 2x minus z. Okay, and for my convenience let me call this y dash equal to z as a function of f of x y z. Okay, and using this function f of x y z I am solving for y here, whereas second function dz by dx equal to 2x minus z I will call it as g of x y z, and using this g of x y z I am solving for z. Z is nothing but again y dash. Okay, using these two simultaneous equations and using the initial conditions I will solve. Okay, and I will come back with a table containing f0, f1, f2, f3, g0, g1, g2, g3. That will help me to while substituting in the formula directly. I will come back with a table now. From the given set of values I have listed a table and given the name for them so that I can use easily those values. That is x0 equal to 0.1, x0 equal to 0, x1, x2, x3, corresponding y values as y0, y1, y2, y3, and corresponding y dash values as y0 dash, y1 dash, y2 dash and y3 dash. And we are substituting y dash equal to z, therefore the corresponding values also will become z0, z1, z2, z3, and that z function I am calling it as f of xyz. Therefore these are also equal to f0, f1, f2 and f3. Both all the notations are same here, but whereas now I have to find out the g0, g1, g2, g3, whereas my d square by dx square is nothing but z dash, that will become g function, g of x y z equal to 2x minus z is there. Okay, repeatedly 4 times I have to apply that formula. That's why what I will do, calc option I will use. Same formula I will operate here as 2 into alpha x minus z. My pink letter z is not there. For that I will use a, alpha a. Then calc option first time it will ask for x. X value is 0 and ask for a is nothing but z. Z value is minus 1 and it is giving my equal to 1 here. Like that, again press equal to, it will ask for x. My second x value is 0.1 and a is nothing but your z. Z value is minus 0.8953 and it is 1.0953. Like that, g2 x value is 0.2 and corresponding z value, that is a, I am using in calculator, minus 0.7827 and it is 1.1827. Like that, g3 To find out G3, X3 value is 0.3 and corresponding A value, that is Z, is minus 0.664 and it comes out to be 1.264. Okay, using this F values, G values, I will predict the value for Y4 and Z4 first. Okay, by Milne's predictor formula. Milne's predictor formula, that is Y4 predictor is equal to Y0 plus 4h by 3 into 2f1 minus f2 plus 2f3. From the table, all these values I will use here now. Okay, that is Y0 value. Y0 is 1 plus 4h. What is h value? H value is the difference between consecutive x values, that is 0.1 divided by 3 into 2 times f1. F1 notation is nothing but z1, same, minus 0.8953 minus f2. F2 is again also minus 0.7827 plus 2 times f3. F3 is minus 0.664. Let me operate this everything in the calculator without operating AC button, so that that formula will remain as it is, and I'll come back with the final answer here. Same thing I operated in the calculator, and I am going to get it as up to 4 decimal place. I am taking 0.68854 is there, therefore I'll write it as 5 only. This is my Y4 predictor. Like this, Z4 predictor I have to calculate. That is Z4 predictor is equal to same formula, only the notations will change. That is Z0 plus 4h by 3 into 2g1 minus g2 plus 2g3. All these values are available from the table. Z0 value is nothing but minus 1. 4 by 3 into h is again 0.1 into 2g1. G1 is 1.0953 minus G2 1.1827 plus 2G3 1.264. From the table I have used all these values. Now I will operate in a calculator and come back with the final answer here. Okay, I operated a calculator and I am getting the answer of Z4 predictor as minus 0.5285 is there, up to 4 decimals only I am taking it as a 5. This is my Z4 predictor. Using this Y4 predictor and Z4 predictor, I will calculate my F4 and G4, which is going to help in corrector formula. Therefore, F4 is nothing but F of X4, Y4 predictor, Z4 predictor. And what is my function F of XYZ? My function F of Z is nothing but Z. Therefore, it is a Z4 predictor itself will become my F4. That value is 0.5287 minus. Okay. And then G4 I have to calculate. To calculate G4, G of X4, Y4 predictor and Z4 predictor I have to use. But what is the function G of XYZ? G of XYZ is nothing but 2x minus Z. Therefore, 2x4 and Z4 predictor I have to use. 2 into x4. X3 value is 0.3, 0.2, x2, like that. Therefore, x4 will become 0.4. Okay. This is 0.4. 2 into 0.4 minus Z4 predictor, that is minus 0.5285. Okay. If you are not using AC button, that already a function will be there in your calculator. 2x into a. Okay. Calc option, x it will ask. Sorry. After operating calc option, it will ask for x. X value is nothing but here 0.4, 0.4, and a is nothing but z. Z is minus 0.5285, and its answer comes out to be 1.3285. Okay, my G4 value is 1.3285. Use this G4 and Z4, that is F4. Let me call this as F4 in the corrector formula. Now Milne's corrector formula is given by Milne's corrector formula. Okay, that is first y4 I have to calculate. Y4 corrector is equal to y2 plus hy3 into f2 plus 4f3 plus f4. This formula you have to by heart and use the table and substitute of all the values. Y2 value is 0.8227, h value is 0.1 divided by 3, and f2 is a minus 0.7827 plus 4 times f3 minus 0.664 plus f4, just now calculated f4, that is minus 0.5287. Operate everything in a calculator and come back with the final answer here. That is, and I am getting the final answer for y4 corrector. Y4 corrector is 0.69045 is there, therefore I will make it as a 5. This is a y4 corrector first formula. Okay, then z4 corrector. Therefore z4 corrector formula is given by same thing, only notation will change. That is z2 plus h by 3 into g2 plus 4 times g3 plus g4. Then z2 from the table minus 0.7827, h value 0.1 divided by 3, g2 value 1.1827 plus 4 times g3 is 1.264, g4 value just now calculated from here, that is 1.3285. okay, using this I will calculate and come back with the final answer here, and I am getting the answer as minus 0.53046 is there. I will make it as 0.5. This is my z4 corrector once I have applied, and you can just compare the y4 values, predictor and corrector. Corrector is 0.6905 and predictor value is 0.6885. Therefore there is only one decimal place accuracy. Therefore let me repeat the Milne's corrector formula once again. Before that y4 z4 f4 and z4 I have to calculate. I will calculate and come back here. Okay, my f4 again is equal to f of x4, y4 corrector I have to use now, then z4 corrector, but the function f of xyz is nothing but z. Therefore my z value is z4 corrector. Z4 corrector value is minus 0.5305. This is my f4 I am going to use in the corrector formula. Like that, g4 is g of x4, y4 corrector and z4 corrector, and the function g of xyz is nothing but 2x minus z. 2x, x is nothing but x4 and minus z value is z4 corrector. And what are these values? 2 times x4 value is 0.4 minus z4 is just now calculated, z4 corrector is minus 0.5305. Calculate this will give you g4. I will calculate, and or if you are not operated AC button, that formula will be there, 2x minus a is nothing but z, 2x it calc option, x value is 0.4 and a is nothing but z, that is minus 0.5305. I am going to get it as a 1.3305. okay, this is my g4. Using these two, f4 and g4 in corrector formula again, okay, that is the same formula, Milne's corrector formula, same formula is there, only that f4 value will change. Therefore y4 corrector I will write everything same, only this final value I will change, that is 0.8227 plus 0.1 divided by 3 into minus 0.7827 plus 4 times minus 0.664 plus minus F4 I will change. My F4 is now, this is minus 0.5305. And if you are not operated AC button in your calculator, this formula is also operated one is there in your calculator. Just you can check, minus 0.8227, 0.1 divided by 3 into minus, correct, minus 0.727. Okay, same thing is there. 4 times 664. Only the last value, this one I have to change. That is 5305. Okay, and if you operate equal to, you'll get the answer. That is 0.69039. Fifth result is 9 is there. Therefore, you can make it as a 4. Y4 corrector. Just you can compare two corrector values of Y4. Okay, Y4 corrector, previous one was a 69045 is there. Now it is 6904. They are equal up to almost all 4 decimal places. Now I can stop the solution. Therefore, Y4 is equal to Y of X4 is equal to Y of 0.4 is equal to 0.6904 is the required solution. Okay, like this, many more examples are in my description. Different topics of engineering given the list playlists. Please go through that. And if you are not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe and support me. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you will get the notifications of my next videos. Like this video, comment, and also don't forget to share this video. Thank you, friends.